Hey everybody, my name is Sabrina Evans and I'm the recruitment coordinator here at RTR, and I'm also an alum of RTR. Shout out to Cohort 7. And one word that I would use to describe RTR would be impactful. And I would say impactful because there's no other program on this earth, gloating a little bit, but there's no other program on this earth that literally teaches, trains, prepares teachers to teach the holistic view of students. And when we talk about the whole student, you're talking about the student from birth all the way up until adult years, and the impact of what that is, knowing that a student has literally been cared for, crafted, cultivated, and pushed forward in their purpose. And so RTR is that type of program, and it is one that has made huge impact here in the Richmond metropolitan area, but throughout Virginia.